guys, thanks for joining me. It's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals, your market guide from entry to exit. I'm excited to show 5140 Stratford Chase Drive today in the Stratford Chase section of Kempsville in Virginia Beach, Virginia. This thing literally, I'm not exaggerating, the brick that you see is the only not brand new exterior surface. So roof, siding, windows, garage doors, all that stuff's brand new. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 2,500 feet of living space, and the inside is just incredible. This is all Kempsville schools, not far from Witch Duck Town Center, Kemps River, all those areas for shopping, dining, etc. I'm gonna take my shoes off, but this is all luxury vinyl plank in here. We got kind of two sides of the living area. These walls were all removed. The house was completely rewired with copper. There's Ethernet and coax through a centralized structured wiring box in the garage I'll show you. But anyways, come on in. So here, this really could be a dining space, maybe a flex living space if you can fit it or eat at the bar, but it is set up for that. You can see its whole house LED lights, just an incredible kind of reinvention of this house. If you're familiar with Kempsville houses, you know, it's a popular area, but the houses have seen a little age on them. This thing is literally everything you see in here as far as wall surface and fixtures is brand new. Awesome kitchen. You can see the bar top I mentioned. We do have all granite tops. These are soft close cabinets, full wood overlay, also with the crown feature. Full Whirlpool appliance package, including the fridge. Nice built-in pantry here. There's another pantry that could really double as linen or whatever you want. Little wine rack area, maybe a little butler or bar type area here. Let me take you to the garage now, just so this doesn't end up being too long, but you can see it's an oversized. This garage is over 500 square feet. You can see the walls are finished. You do have a laundry connection out here. There's a second one upstairs, just off the master, brand new panel. Again, everything was rewired. The area above here, there's no living over the garage, but here's your structured wiring panel there, new hot water heater, and then awesome storage up here. You can see great light. All right, now we'll head back into the house. Again, andyhubba.com. We just listed this house late May 2020. I hope everybody's managing the corona situation well, but and we came on just under 400,000. I've had several showings already. I wouldn't be surprised if there's already an offer in the works while I'm doing this video. New windows, new floor, fireplace really clean, painted the brick, so that would be original. This used to be walled off so that this room was only accessible from the rear of the house, but they opened up the wall, did these French doors. So this is one of the bedrooms, so we got a first floor bedroom, but it really could function as an office, playroom, guest room, really, ultimately. It's a nice closet there. Now we transition to the rear of the house, so we came from the front, and we're making our way back to the rear. Here's that linen, or extra pantry I was telling you, if you needed to store food, paper towels, etc., above and beyond what you got in the kitchen pantry, you can. Brand new HVAC 2-zone. That's one of them, first floor. Here's the back door. I'll show you the yard real quick, just through the glass patio here. Partially fenced. It's not fully fenced, but it wouldn't take much to fill it in. Nice kind of palette there for you. And then here's the powder room. Nice granite detail. In here, it's a little different from the kitchen. You know, all new fixtures, super clean. All right, let's head upstairs where we got the bedrooms. New carpet. And then I think I'll do the master last, so I'm gonna take a right. Here's the closet that they converted to a second laundry, so you can see the dryer vent there. This would be set up for a stackable, but full-size stackable would work. We'll say bedroom 2 because we have bedroom 1 downstairs. Really good color scheme, big closets. Bedroom 3, again, massive, really big. Here's the hall bath, which is really well done. So you can see we go back to the LVP, which is waterproof, so it's a fantastic, upgraded, easy to maintain flooring product for the bathrooms. Massive double vanity here with the drawers in the middle, even another style of granite here. So far we've got 3 different granites. Room here for hamper, maybe you can fill that. Nice fixtures and mirrors. All right, here's the master. Turn this fan on. You can see a really generous space. 2 walk-in closets. One off the front with some natural light from a window. And then another one over here in the corner. And I can't wait to show you this shower and master bathroom setup. All right, so here's the master bath. You can see oversized vanity. His, I suppose, is separate. Oversized vanity, hers or whatever. Here's the toilet closet, which is actually really big, because as we come around here, they did some built-in shelving to work as a linen. And then finally, nice custom walk-in tiled shower here. Really nicely finished bench in here. It's a lot bigger than it looks from the opening, but that's to kind of keep the water in, but it's really just a fantastic feature. Probably the nicest shower in the neighborhood, arguably. And then we go back to the same granite from the other bathroom. But super house here, just really well done. New insulation above the living area, new insulation under the in the crawl space. Again, all new electrical wiring, just almost a new house in an established Kempsville neighborhood. Thanks so much for joining me, AndyHubba.com. I look forward to connecting with you. Feel free to shoot me your questions. I love engaging and assisting where I can. Make it a priority when you're home shopping. Have some fun.